Alright, I'm back out with the X7, and man, I've just been having electrical problem after electrical problem. And the last time it was the battery plug, 2 times in a row, same wire came unplugged from the EC5 and caused a power outage, complete blackout on the speed controller. So I went home, fixed it. Hopefully this time we won't have any of that. What was that all about? There's like no wind, it feels so funny. Again. So there's something wrong. Those wires are running too hot and the solder's becoming desoldered. It's desoldering itself. It's running so hot, I guess. I'm walking through this mess of crap with shorts on. This is not fun. Alright, let's pop the top and just see how hot these wires really are this time, before I go walking away and wasting time. Hell, the speed controller isn't even hot, but the same exact wire came undone, and I don't know why. I don't know why. The wires aren't incredibly hot, but it's just ridiculous. I don't understand it. Or something must be wrong. I mean, the solder can't just... I don't know. Just don't know. I am quite upset. I'm glad that I can stand here and look at a helicopter that's all in one piece. And it looks like I twisted my torque tube a little bit. My tail boom might have twisted a little. It's got yeah, the tail box moved. Other than that, it looks like everything's in one piece, except for this battery plug, which honestly I really don't understand. Go fix it again and maybe, I don't know, re-strip the end, I don't know what to do with it. The speed controller isn't hot, the wires aren't really hot, not hot enough to cause solder to disconnect. I really don't know what to call. I don't know what to say about this. This is just... All right. Back to the damn bench.